Hey everyone, Carlos here with Bear Boost Traders, and we're excited to announce our Bear Boost Traders Challenge. As you might have heard already, we're starting on March 15 on this challenge for day traders, and it's an experience for you to be able to day trade with the platform that we use and also get a sense for what it's like to day trade with our community. There are several ways you can do this. There's going to be some rules as well. So we want to be able to simulate as a real experience as possible. So there will be commission fees, ECN fees, and things that you will experience in a normal live trading. This is a great idea for anyone that wants to get into day trading and never had the opportunity. This is a way to try out the systems that we use, the strategies that you might have learned from Andrew's book, our YouTube channel, or even any other channel or any other book that you might have read. So we'd love to see you try this challenge, whether you're a trader now or looking to get into trading or want to try a different platform than what you use now. This is a great way to try the tools that we use at Bear Boost Traders. So our sign up starts now, is open at the moment. So please visit our website at bearboosttraders.com for more information and also for all the details on the rules. And be sure to sign up before March 15th as we will start our trial. You're going to get a week of simulation to get used to the platform and how everything works and the hotkeys or the montage, whatever style of trading you want to do. And then after that, the second week is when the challenge begins, where whoever gets the first place will win a lifetime membership with Bear Boost Traders. And depending how things go, there might be other surprise prices as well. So stay tuned. Definitely check us out at bearboosttraders.com for more information on this challenge. Take care.